We believe a great product comes from a long journey, from the best source of coconut shell charcoal raw materials to the excellent processes and procedures. We are committed to have the courage to step forward together with our suppliers in Indonesia. That one of the best quality in the world. Starting from these visions, we enthusiastically built Berkarindo and decided to become the leading manufacturer of Indonesian coconut charcoal briquettes. We bring commitment to quality and set high standards on our quality control to ensure product quality requirements are achieved. We selectively choose only the best raw material by doing double screening process. The first stage of screening process uses vibrating screen which removing dirt by utilizing vibration. Subsequently the second screening process uses rotary screen, in purpose to get lowest ash content and produce the high quality product. We also use automatic grinding machine so that we can produce the finest coconut charcoal granule on a consistent basis. With our production expertise, we mix a fine balance of coconut charcoal granule. Our double blending process use a machine made of stainless steel which non-corrosive so it won't contaminate the product and durable enough and meet the standard to produce the top-notch product. What set us apart from the other competitor is our high-density molding machine that will have longer burning. We pay much more attention to our quality control in every stage of our production process. Not only produce the molding result with excellent density, we also have a high precision cutting machine which produce perfectly shaped briquette products. With the help of our better machinery, our long experience in coconut charcoal briquette industry, we are able to create a better product for our global customer. We believe the collaboration that we provide could help our international colleagues to meet their needs. Based in the values of integrity, quality, sustainability, and collaboration, we instill in our business continuity. We also continuously upgrade our machinery and skill to improve our capability to be better. Synergy will bring us to accomplish feats we did not even know were possible. A synergy to become something bigger, together.